वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। इस सेशन में हम ये 3 क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करने वाले हैं यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ जनरल टर्म। बिफोर सॉल्विंग लेट्स हैव अ क्विक रिवीजन ऑन जनरल टर्म। अगर हमारे पास x प्लस वाई पावर n है एंड वी विश टू राइट जनरल टर्म इन एन एक्सपेंशन ऑफ x प्लस वाई पावर 9, द जनरल टर्म कैन बी रिटन एज टी आर प्लस 1 एन सी आर मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट एलिमेंट x multiply second element y is having power r and x is having power n minus r. And in this section only we will see how to solve NCR. मैं आपको 3 एग्जांपल्स के साथ समझाता हूँ. After 3 examples you will clearly understand how to solve NCR part. Example 1 7C4. Example 2 5C2. Example 3 8C5. With these 3 examples you will clearly understand how to solve NCR. Starting with 7C4, numerator by denominator. 5C2, numerator divided by denominator. 8C5, numerator divided by denominator. We have to do multiplication in this way. Multiply 7 minus 1, 6 upon 4 minus 1, 3. Multiply 5 by 2. Multiply 4 by 1. Coming to 5C2 part, multiply 4 by 1. 8C5, multiply 7 by 4, multiply 6 by 3, multiply 5 by 2, multiply 4 by 1. In 7C4 part, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 3 multiplied 2, 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled. 7C4 is equal to 35. In 5C2, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 4. 5C2 is equal to 10. Coming in 8C5, 5, 4, 5, 4 gets cancelled. 2 times 1, 2 times 4. So 4 7 are 28 and 28 times 2, 56. So 8C5 is equal to 56. 5C2 is equal to 10 and 7C4 is equal to 35. Coming to question 1, they are saying find the coefficient of x power 4 in an expansion of x by 2 minus 3 by x square power 10. सबसे पहले we have to write a general term. General term for this is tr plus 1 is equal to 10cr. First element x by 2. Second element minus 3 by x square. Second element is always having power r and first element is having power 10 minus r. On solving, we will get 10cr multiply minus 3 power r divided 2 power 10 minus r multiply x power 2r 10 minus 3r minus 2r. So can we say 10 minus this 2 10 minus r minus 2r 10 minus 3 times r. Now they are asking coefficient of x power 4. It means 10 minus 3 times r should be equal to 4. Can we say value of r should be equal to 2? 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So coefficient of x power 4 is 10c2 times minus 3 power 2 divided by 2 power 8, which is equal to 10c2 numerator divided by denominator multiply 9 by 1 multiply negative power even positive 3 power 2 9 2 power 8 is 256. 2 power 4 is 16 and 16 square is 256. 256. On solving, you will get your answer. This is the first question. Coming to question second, they are saying if x power 4 occurs in the rth term, then find the value of r. Again, writing general term, t r plus 1 is equal to 15 cr. स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन कैसा भी गिवन हो, आपको जनरल टर्म लिखना आना चाहिए और सबसे पहले आप जनरल टर्म ही लिखोगे. 15 cr मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट एलिमेंट मल्टीप्लाई सेकेंड एलिमेंट. Second element is always having power r and first element is having power 15 minus r. On solving, we will get 15 cr multiply x power 4 power 15 minus r, that is x power 16 minus 4r. X power 60, 15 multiply 4, 60 minus 4r. Again 3 multiply r, so minus 4r minus 3r. Can we say minus 7r? As per requirement, 60 minus 7r should be equal to 4. Can I say r should be equal to 8? 7 multiplied 56, 60 minus 56 is 4. Then t 8 plus 1, 9 is equal to 15 c 8 x power 4. They are saying if x power 4 occurs in rth term, please don't say value of r is 8. Value of r in this case will be equal to 9 because they are saying x power 4 occurs in the rth term. They are asking position. So the correct position is 9, not 8. So value of r should be equal to 9. Answer. Coming to last question of this video, they are saying find the coefficient of x power 5 in an expansion of 1 plus x square power 5 multiply 1 plus x power 4. 1 plus x square power 5 multiply 1 plus x power 4. This is written as applying distributive property 1 plus x square power 5 multiply 1 plus x power 4 multiply 1 plus x square power 5. देखो, x is having power 2. X is having even power. So in an expansion of first term, can we get x power 5 element? No. So in this, there is no x power 5 element. Now, अब ये सेकेंड पार्ट देखते हैं. x power 5, अगर हमें x power 5 चाहिए तो in this expansion 1 plus x square power 5 should contain x, yes or no? x multiply x power 5, हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? x power 5. But यहाँ पर we will not get the element x. Here also coefficient of x power 5 is 0. Then we will say there won't be any x power 5 term. An easiest question completely based on observation. Thank you.